Was the SQE2 very similar to the LPC, to all your experience with exams in the LPC?
I would say no, to be honest. The expectation is very, very different. So the standard is like to a day one qualified solicitor, whereas an LPC is like a trainee. In terms of the exam itself, it's different. I got a different feel when I sat the SQE exam than I did from when I did the LPC. It was again completely different. The intensity of how much I had to revise as well, I guess my circumstances made me have to revise extra hard. But because I knew that the exam was how it was intense. We had like 45 minutes or so to, first half an hour, in fact, to like do legal writing. Things like that, it's different from the LPC, whereas you're given a question and I think you have like 3 hours to draft a question. So to write a question. For me, I personally thought it was quite different.
Okay, and was there any particular assessment in the SQE2 that you think was vastly different from what you expected or from what your LPC experience told you?
I would say with having practiced, no. I kind of expected what I saw. Yeah, I did a lot of practice, I would say. So I was prepared, but I don't feel like it prepared me enough because yes, there were times that I said, "Oh wow, this is different. This is difficult." But you kind of get a feel of the exam already before. If you do mocks, if you practice, you kind of know what to expect.